Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to talk about one important indicator from smart money. You can search the name of this indicator in the indicator list under the name of smart money concepts, and the creator is luxalgo, and I will put the name of the indicator and the creator in the description, and after that you can find BOS, for example break of structures with this indicator. No need you draw it, and automatically you can find it and use it. As you can see in this video, this is very good in all time frames, in all forex is available, and you can use it. Yes, as you can see here, and everything here is clear. You can find BOS very simply, and also CHOCH means change of the character. You can also find it in your chart, very simple. You can take back test and also forward test for yourself. As you can see, a smart money concept is the name of the indicator, and now is life of the market, and this market is on gold. Yes, gold index. You can find everything here. FVG also you can find, and you can use these ones very simply. Thank you so much for watching this video. Good luck.